In this video, I'm going to show you another airdrop that can potentially make you money. Probably you are not seeing me, so I'm just trying to flash my, you know, I'm just trying to flash my. This is my mobile phone. I'm flashing, and this video is probably make you slightly money. So, uh, airdrop video that can potentially make you money. So, if you are serious airdropper, please try to watch this video fully in order to join properly. So if you don't, I would argue you to join our Telegram channel for getting further update about airdrop that you will be comfortable to doing participate, and that will be wiser to do. Okay, so let's dive in. Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you Print.World, a new airdrop that can potentially make you money. So in order to join in this airdrop, what do you need to do? You need to come into our Telegram channel. Okay. So how do you found our Telegram channel? Pretty simple. You need to just check our description box. So just simply click on the more option, and here you will be found our link. If you don't found, just go through this channel and go through the more option, and you will be found our Telegram channel in here. Okay, so you can as well join free camp airdrop, and as well as if you are brand, you can DM me for ad. Okay, whatever you prefer to. So let's dive in the main video. So in order to join in here, what do you need to do? You need to simply click the link or copy the link and paste it into your browser. Okay, while you will be pasting into your browser, this page will look like this. Okay, pretty simple, straightforward. Just simply click on connect to wallet, and your MetaMask you need to install in here. Okay, so if you want to do it by mobile phone, same thing. You need to install your MetaMask, then click the MetaMask, and your MetaMask should be notified by it. Okay, so if it is not, just check out your MetaMask and provide your password, then check it. So I made a mistake because wouldn't I wouldn't add extension of Phantom wallet. So I already added in my extension list Phantom. If you don't yet, just go through web store of the Chrome and search Phantom. Okay, pretty simple, and install it. Then come into here, refresh this page, then click the connect wallet, and your Phantom would be login in here. Pretty simple, straightforward way. So simply connect wallet and confirmation wallet connection. Okay, it is confirming. Just a little bit time would be take. So I already connected, and what they're showing up. So to prevent fake accounts, we require the wallet you connect to hold at least one soul. Okay, you need to have at least one soul inside of the Phantom. So I haven't any soul in here. If I show you, I haven't any soul in here. If you noticed, zero. Okay, you need to have at least one. If you have, just simply you put your username and click the confirm. Your stuff would be done. Then getting further update about it, just come into crypto rank, and if you noticed in the crypto rank, in the drop section, I'm showing you. Just now going to back again, and if I show you that movement, every time they're giving you update about what is going happening in the airdrop industry, they will give you. Okay, so today fuel is giving the money, fuel is giving claim option, they showed up. And today, what is the new airdrop coming on? So today coming on who, this is a gaming platform confirm airdrop, and who invested everything will be showed up in here. And today I'm making video about Print.World that you are seeing right now is cost $0, time 2 minutes to do, and airdrop is confirmed, it well listed. Because of I'm trying to participate in here, but insufficient funds on soul I haven't inside of my wallet, therefore I cannot do it. Okay, so if you can do it, I would say. Because of getting further update, just come to CryptoRank. The search on the web cryptorank.io, and you will be found out it, and you can just search it if you want, like 1 to 3 months later, or come into the crypto rank frequently for getting the latest airdrop stuff. Okay, so Kaito is new on, you can do participate in here. This platform is extremely well, I'd say, to those who do airdrop. Okay, so if this video slightly help you, please do consider to subscribe and join our Telegram channel. It will be so much wiser to join in our Telegram channel. Almost 214 people each joined in our Telegram from different country. If you noticed in here, okay, I don't know where they're from, but they're from different countries. So if you want to be part of us, please do join. Okay, so until that